Welcome to the first day of school. March 16, 2026 at St. Dominic School. We sincerely thank all parents for your trust. Thank you for letting your children join our family. We believe every child is unique. Our teachers are ready with modern tools, creating an environment for self-discovery. Beyond books, they will build life skills and lasting friendships this summer. Our summer course balances excellence, academics and creative exploration, developing every student's full potential. Welcome to a wonderful new journey. Welcome to St. Dominic.